Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove Windows 11 pin code. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select accounts. On right side select your info. Under account settings you just need to select sign in with your local account instant. Select next. You just need to type your Microsoft account password guys. After typing it, select OK. Now you can change the username. Just leave these fields empty. New password, confirm password, password hint. Just leave it empty and select next. And now select sign out and finish option. After selecting the sign out and finish option, your password will be removed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.